do not like vegetables in my smoothie. My name is Naisha, I'm a registered dietitian, and you do not have to add vegetables to your smoothie to get nutrients. I'm gonna show you guys what I do for my breakfast smoothies to get nutrients and to make it taste great. Let's go. So yeah, I accidentally just deleted me making this whole smoothie. So let's talk about it. So within my smoothies, I love to use a fruit blend. I get mine from Aldi because they have a wide variety and they're affordable. This is a tropical fruit blend. It has pineapple, mango, strawberries, and papaya. Like, how often do you have papaya in your smoothies? But they also have so many blends. Some include protein. This one does not. With these fruits, this one is high in vitamin C. It's low in calories, only 70 calories per cup, and there's no added sugar. So this is really cool with these. So this one makes a tropical smoothie. I always add a protein powder. This one happens to be a vegan one. Hum sent me this and I like it. And this is vanilla. It doesn't have a strong taste, and that's what I like. When it comes to making a good smoothie, I do not like a strong taste. Now you need 2 cups to get the protein, 21 grams of protein, but I just use 1 cup because I add Greek yogurt. This has 17 grams of protein. For the creaminess, this one is a plain Greek yogurt, low fat and low carb. You can go with vanilla, but Aldi typically has plain, so that's what I use. And then because I don't have any flavor in my yogurt, I add a sugar-free syrup. I have so many of you guys look at my other videos. This one happens to be blue raspberry. And then I add water and blend. This one has so much flavor, but I love tropical, so that's what I go for. So I'm still getting a variety of nutrients without adding vegetables. Now, don't get me wrong, I love vegetables. I just don't like them in my smoothie. So try making a smoothie if you don't like them right now with vegetables, without vegetables, and let me know what you guys think. Follow and like for more videos.